So today's event was all about featuring Windows 8. It's been out over a week ago, but we know there's a lot to convey to users, from UI functionality all the way to user interface, how do you navigate. Everything is new. So that's what we're here today. We partnered with Microsoft to showcase how to use and navigate Windows 8, get people familiarized with it, as well as show them tips, tricks and advanced features that some people may not be aware of. We also have another section where Microsoft came in and they talked about the extended ecosystem in terms of Windows Phone 8. So at this point in time, there are no Windows Phone 8 devices in the market. So since we held this event at Microsoft's office, they have a few devices from Nokia as well as HTC. So the people came to this event had a first-hand glimpse of how it looks like, how it feels, how the OS functions on these new devices. So it was a real treat for these guys, because we did not mention these devices were available at this event, but that's the catch thing. Those who came, they enjoyed playing around with this new smartphones. In between, we provided some breaks. Basically, we partnered a lot of vendors in terms of bringing in notebooks, tablets and all other new Win 8 related devices. So this is a place where one glance they see a multitude of devices. So all the participants who came in to this event today, they were able to hop around and try various devices. That's something you're unlikely to be able to do at the shop, because all you have over there is a salesperson there. He might not be as well versed as ourselves from the editorial team. We know the specs, build, PCs, salient points, pros, cons, in and out. So that's something we're able to relate to these readers, what exactly best fits their usage needs.
Well, I was using one of the machines. It has like a Connect kind of feature where you can change page and you can move to different applications just using hand gestures. You don't even have to touch the screen. And I think it was Acer desktop, and I think that's the future, man. It's like Connect, but you just need to tweak it a bit more. I think it's going to be great.
I think the OS wise, right, it's really different in terms of like the kind of features that it introduces to the whole touch medium and stuff. Really what impresses me about this one is that almost from every side of the screen there's almost something out there that you can make use of that really makes the whole experience more intuitive and much more like a continual flow. For instance, like from the right you can access the main panels and stuff like that, and that's easy like calling up of the previous screens from the left side. And of course it takes away things when you don't need them and it puts them back in place when you need them. So that's what I really like about that.
Features I like to see and enjoy is the live tiles, where you can always get updates from the live tiles without even going into the apps itself. So from there, for users who are busy, you can actually see the news or your contacts or friends updates through the live tiles.
I think that the speaker did a very good job in presenting the features of Windows 8, the overall features about the new start experience and the new interface, and also the presentation on Windows Phone 8 was great, because I'm also waiting for it very much. And finally, I got to be able to see the phones in the flesh, and also to experience it firsthand. And overall, I'm really thankful to have been given the opportunity to attend the PlayTest event by HardwareZone.
So Windows 8 is Windows reimagined. It's our vision of how an operating system should be. So it's fast, fluid, and beautiful. And I think for me, what really makes Windows 8 really the best operating system out there is the applications. So we are working with a lot of developers, we are working with a lot of companies to get you the best possible apps for Windows 8.
First of all, we really loved the idea when the HardwareZone folks came and approached us about the playtest, because it's not every day when you are launching a new operating system. And the fact that we could bring in all our hardware partners to come and showcase the plethora, the wide range of choices of device on the Windows 8. So the thing about Windows 8, you really have to see it, touch it, feel it to really be excited about it. And aside from being beautiful, there are a lot of great functional features which makes life a lot easier, a lot more interesting as well. Well, now that Windows 8 is launched, it's definitely got the developer community behind the whole momentum around Windows 8. You know, we have a huge install base of customers who are really serious about upgrading, who are very excited about the platform. So it presents great opportunities for developers to develop apps. We're already seeing strong momentum. We have, you know, a couple of thousand developers in Singapore all already working on Windows 8, so we are seeing very rich apps, very unique apps, and apps that I think will be very exciting for consumers and businesses being developed on Windows 8. So watch this space.